Hello student, good morning. Today I will explain you new chapter, a new topic, holding company accounts. Okay, holding company accounts आपका ये फर्स्ट सेम का सिलेबस नहीं, सेकेंड सेम का मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ. ओके, होल्ड करना मतलब व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ होल्ड? कंट्रोल. ओके, कोई भी चीज़ के ऊपर कंट्रोल करना मीन्स होल्ड करना होता है. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, होल्डिंग कंपनी अकाउंट्स है. मतलब अगर हम चैप्टर का नाम देखते हैं तो भी उस पे से ही उसी से ही हमें पता चलता है कि कंट्रोल कहीं पे तो है. ओके, और उसका अकाउंट हमें देखना है. मतलब क्या होता है, इन केस अगर ए कंपनी ने बी कंपनी के 50% और उससे ज़्यादा शेयर्स अगर ख़रीद लिए तो ऑटोमेटिकली ए कंपनी का होल्ड बी कंपनी के ऊपर रहता है. ओके, मीन्स company which has a controlling interest by virtue of acquisition of share is known as a holding company. Okay, and whose shares have been acquired is known as a subsidiary company. Okay, तो यहाँ पे आपको थेरी मतलब एग्ज़ाम के लिए थेरी नहीं आ सकती है, प्रॉब्लम बेस ही टॉपिक है. बट अगर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट अगर आपका रहेगा सेकेंड सेम को भी तो आपको थेरी भी अच्छे से करनी होगी. ओके, a company may acquire either the whole or the majority of shares in another company so as to have a controlling interest in such a company or companies. The controlling company is known as the holding company and the company so control is known as subsidiary, and both together are known as the group. The purpose of getting control over another company may be to gain advantages such as elimination of competitions, enjoying economic of large scale production, getting an assured market for the products of the company. It also means that a company which has a controlling interest by virtue of acquisition of shares or otherwise is known as is known as a holding company, and the company whose shares have been acquired is known as subsidiary company. Therefore, one of the common ways of acquiring a controlling interest is to acquire more than half in nominal value of the equity shares of another company. Okay? Meaning, there are two ways by which one company can gain control over other companies. One way is to acquire all the assets and liabilities of the companies concerned, thereby securing control by ownership of such assets and liabilities. This arrangement is termed as absorptions. And another way to acquire all of the majority means 50% and above of the voting shares of these companies. The company acquiring the share is known as holding company. The company whose share have been acquired is known as the subsidiary company. Of both holding company, a different way to gain control over the companies. Okay, अब डेफिनेशन देखते हैं होल्डिंग कंपनी की क्या है. होल्डिंग कंपनी हैज़ बिन इनडायरेक्टली डिफाइंड सेक्शन 4 of the Company Act 2013. In the context, in this definition of the subsidiary company, according to this section, a company shall be deemed to be subsidiary of another company only if that other company controls the competition or compositions of its board of directors or that other. That other means when the first mentioned company is an existing company in respect of which the holder of preference shares issued before the commencement of this act have been the same voting rights in all respects as the holders of equity shares exercise or control more than half of the total voting power of such a company. Okay. Then लीगल कंडीशन जो है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बैलेंस शीट ऑफ होल्डिंग कंपनी वो हम देखेंगे. लीगल कंडीशन मीन्स व्हाट Section 212 of the Company Act 2013 stipulates the condition regarding the manner in which the balance sheet of the holding company should be prepared. The provision of this section are given below. First provision is there shall be attached to the balance sheet of a holding company having a subsidiary or subsidiaries. At the end of the financial year as at which the holding company's balance sheet is made out, the following documents. First one is a copy of the balance sheet of the subsidiary, then a copy of its profit and loss account. Third one, a copy of the report of bill, a report of its board of directors, and last one is a statement of the holding company's interest in the subsidiary as specified in specified in subsection 3. Okay. Then प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंसोलिडेशन में क्या आता है, तो बेसिक प्रिंसिपल टू बी रिमेंबर इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बैलेंस शीट, consolidated balance sheet. Okay, the first one is the shares in the subsidiary company held by the holding company as investment represent the share of ownership of holding company in the equity or net assets of the subsidiary company. Therefore, while preparing the consolidated balance sheet, the investment of the holding company in the subsidiary are replaced by proportionate net assets or of the subsidiary. Okay. Second one is investment in the subsidiary company as appearing on the asset side of the holding company balance will not be aggregated as the same has been considered in the wording of the cost control. And the cost of control or goodwill calculated will be shown of the asset side of the balance sheet if it is a capital reserve. कैपिटल रिजर्व ओके। अब हम नेक्स्ट देखेंगे जो फिनेंशियल ईयर ऑफ होल्डिंग कंपनी होता है वो एज़ पर हमारे रूल के हिसाब से एक तो 1 अप्रैल को स्टार्ट होता है या 1 जनवरी को ओके। उसके बाद जो मेन पॉइंट आते हैं वो है कैपिटल प्रॉफिट, रेवेन्यू प्रॉफिट एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल। तो कैपिटल प्रॉफिट में वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग अ कंसोलिडेटेड बैलेंस शीट ऑफ अ होल्डिंग कंपनी एंड इट्स सब्सिडरी कंपनी certain basic concept relating to holding company accounts are necessary to understand okay. What is the capital profit, what is the revenue profit and cost of control. Then capital profit means actually the amount of profit earned by the corporate business from the sale of its share and debenture term as capital profit if the fixed assets are sold at a market price more than capital profit assets are also at market price more than their book value, then the excess of book value is called as capital profit. Similarly, if shares and debentures are issued by the company at a premium more than their face value, the excess of face value or premium is known as capital profit. Profit earned from purchase of business, the profits from sale of fixed assets and profits prior to incorporation are said to the capital profit, which are not revenue profit and are not available for distribution of dividend. In holding company accounts, while preparing consolidated financial statement as per the accounting standard 21, the analysis of the profits and profits of the subsidiary company as to acquisition profit and post-acquisition profit is made on the basis of the date of acquisition of the shares of subsidiary company by the holding company. Profits earned by the subsidiary company up to the date of acquisition of shares by the holding company are termed as pre-acquisition profit or capital profit, as the shares were acquired when the balance of profit existed in the balance sheet of the subsidiary company. The holding company share in capital profit is credited to capital reserve account or adjusted. Holding company share in the capital profit is credited to capital reserve account or adjusted against the cost of control, as well the share of minority shareholders in capital profit is to be adjusted while calculating minority interest. The losses of the subsidiary company incurred up to the date of acquisition of shares is treated as a capital loss, and holding company share therein adjusted against goodwill or cost of control, as well the share of minority shareholders capital loss is to be adjusted while calculating minority interest. ओके ये हो गया कैपिटल प्रॉफिट. अब बाद में क्या देखना है? रेवेन्यू प्रॉफिट एंड कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल. Revenue profit and cost of control. Actually, the difference between the revenue income and revenue expenses is termed as a revenue profit. Income और expenses में जो difference आता है उसे बोलते हैं revenue profit. It is earned in the ordinary course of running the business. It results from the ordinary sale of trending goods and services at the price more than their cost price. It is the outcome of regular business transactions of the corporate business. It is shown as a gross profit and net profit in the trading account and profit and loss account respectively. In holding company accounts, the calculation of revenue profit is to be done keeping the date of acquisition of shares as the basis The profits earned by the subsidiary company after the date of acquisition of shares by the holding company are called as post-acquisition profit or revenue profit. And holding company shares therein is to be added to revenue profits of the holding company as well as shares of minority shareholders in revenue profits is to be adjusted while calculating minority interest. The losses of subsidiary company incurred the post-acquisition period is treated as revenue loss, and holding company shares therein is adjusted revenue profit of the holding company as well the share of minority shareholders in revenue loss is to be adjusted while calculating minority interest. ओके इसके बाद नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो है वो है कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल. कॉस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल भी इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग है होल्डिंग कंपनी के लिए. At the time of acquisition of shares in subsidiary company by the holding company, the existing balance of accumulated profits and losses, reserve and surplus, subsidiary company plays in important role while calculating the actual price to be paid for the share of subsidiary company. As a result of such a balance of profits or losses, the actual price of the share of subsidiary company either increase or decrease to that extent as the case may be. It is an abnormal case where the share of subsidiary company purchased and hence when the actual price paid for acquisition of shares is more than the paid up value of value of shares plus holding company shares in capital profit minus holding company share in capital loss, it is termed as goodwill on consolidation. And when the actual price paid for acquisition of shares is less than the paid up value of share plus holding companies, share in capital profit minus holding company share in the capital loss. It is term rupees capital reserve on consolidation. ओके अब जब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर होगा तब प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कंसोलिडेटेड बैलेंस शीट कैसे करते हैं वो बताऊंगी और उसके बाद हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. थैंक यू.